Look at that.
35 foot, $358,000 RV.
This is more than our house.
All right, so we're masked up and we're at the first RV show we've ever been to.
Yep.
Well, not my first one. I've been to them in the past, but it's the first one in a long time.
And we're like considering actually buying.
Yeah.
I mean, not right now, but we're looking to buy it at some point.
It's always just been fun before. We used to go to the boat show with in Seattle with my dad, and there was always RVs and stuff there. Anyway, we're just gonna see what's here, and we're masked up, and literally nobody else is, but we're ready to go.
That's not true.
It's Memorial Day weekend. It's Memorial Day weekend Sunday, so to give some context. So let's go see what we see. So this is the Thor Sprinter that we're sitting inside. We've never been inside something this small, but I'll tell you what, it's super fancy.
Yeah.
Because it's brand new, and it's
roomy.
$110,000 on sale for $100,000. Is with these modern ones is all the equipment. So you've got a whole bunch of stuff that's just modern. Look at all these USB charging center here. You can set your phone and stuff in the little thing and then charge your stuff up. Pretty nice.
Yeah. Sweet.
This is probably an external TV.
I can't imagine myself wanting to watch TV outside though.
You wouldn't want to sit out here and watch a movie in your chairs and under the awning?
I would prefer if that were a grill personally.
So we're in a 2020 Forest River Heritage Glen 25-foot camper trailer. You can see the details here. Is that a door? Jesus.
Yeah. Well, you gotta go to the bathroom.
Oh, I guess so, yeah. But that's a huge door.
Yeah, it is. Look at it too. It's
nice. So this is a winner so far. It's a good size. Recliner chairs right here. You know, nice size TV. The bathroom's huge. A lot of closet space. This whole back behind the TV here is closet space. I like the table here. The bedroom is pretty typical with the sliding door here. I don't know why that wall is bent. I'm not sure if that's by design or
I don't know.
not. That's weird. Anyway, I like it.
Yeah, the details on this one are really nice.
Got a nice sink feature.
Yeah, it's really high-end features, I think.
Yeah.
Nice frosted glass doors and pretty good sized fridge. Not bad. Freezer's almost more important because you want to have a lot of quick stuff that you can get to.
So we're in the 2020 Forest River Heritage Glen. This is a 30-footer, I think. Here's the stats. do you think about the island?
I like it. It is a little much though.
Almost rather have the space.
Yeah.
But a huge second bedroom back here that could be a studio. With a couch, big storage under the couch. I'm sure this becomes a bed somehow. A lot of storage back here. Bed right here. It's got an outdoor kitchen, which we didn't show you. But yeah, this is pretty nice. Definitely need a new truck to pull it.
Yeah.
I like the rounded high ceilings.
What are these? Slide out, right?
Yeah.
And this is getting into the size that you almost might as well get a bus, right? Because it's so big.
Yeah.
So,
well,
I don't know.
You're not going to get a bus for $45,000.
No, but we have to buy a $50,000 truck.
It's true.
Right.
Here's the outdoor kitchen on that Forest River. It's pretty nice. This grill folds in. Got a refrigerator right there, storage up here. It's pretty sweet.
This one like feels like it's as big as our house.
Yeah,
Good
this is
storage
huge.
there.
So we're in the RV that we just bought.
No.
And no, we did not. This is a
Oh my god, look at that.
35-foot, $358,000 RV.
This is more than our house.
That TV goes down.
Wow.
Yeah, these are three slide outs.
Wow. This is like
This is what fancy gets you.
yeah, this is a super fancy celebrity musician.
Look at that shower. That's a shower I can get behind.
Holy hell.
So what do you think? We're gonna try to do it?
No way, man.
Wow.
I feel like we're just a little bit more rustic than this bus.
I could be fancy.
You want to be fancy.
Look at the ceiling fan.
Wow. That is something. Look at the floors.
I love the command center here.
Alright, I'm not sure.
Look at that screen. Holy crap. So this is the upstairs off the back deck.
There's the back deck.
All there is up here is a couple of cushions and then a lot of storage. Like you could just use this for storage if you wanted. It's crazy. I love the deck. It's really a toy storage if you had toys.
Okay, but there's no door to hide the shower, so. Well, I guess you. Oh, okay. Dual purpose door, I get it.
But does that actually latch or does that just happen to open all the way?
It's got a thing up here, so.
Oh, a magnet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It catches to close it.
So that's how you close that. And this is a sliding door here.
This is kind of a neat setup. With all
Yeah,
that.
I sort of like the use of space.
Yeah.
Huh. This is a Thor? No, that's got a Thor bag, but I didn't think this was a Thor.
I don't know. I can't remember. We came in from the back, so I didn't see.
Yeah.
Let me see.
I like this big tray here. Yeah. I like it. It looks like this comes down. This top part comes down. Holiday Rambler. It's an HR. Good size.
Yeah. What's the length on it?
It's like 29 feet.
The thing comes down up there.
Got the tray for the passenger. Cup holders with a handle for my coffee. I love the backsplash.
I don't know
This
about.
isn't bad. 105 grand.
Yeah. It's a brand new one.
Yeah.
I don't think you'll be using this table much though.
Oh.
I like the little upgrade great at details like the frosted
Yeah.
cabinets.
Typical.
Yep. Nice big bed, bigger than our bed at home.
Take a look at the closet over there.
Oops. Got double bar, so we would both be able to hang everything in here. Pretty good space.
I can fit all my stuff in one of these drawers here.
Good. Closet is all mine.
Done. My stuff.
You have to hang a few things.
Nah. What do you think? I think this is more our style here.
Yeah, I think so. A couple things I would like differently. I don't think this is right for us. I would like the table and chair setup, I think, rather than a dinette. And that we can move out of the way, or we can pull the table over in front of the couch if we're sitting there or whatever.
Haven't seen too many like that except for the bigger ones.
Yeah, that's true. And then it doesn't have great storage in the kitchen area. We'll definitely be having some struggles with where to put like dry goods and stuff.
Oh, there's a number of drawers here.
The top one is a big one. Is there anybody in there?
Let's see this one. 90,000
Yeah?
for 2020.
Do the shower test. Oh, your head's in that bar.
Yeah, the bar comes out.
Yeah.
The floors of these showers, they feel like, now I know I'm a huge person, but I feel like I'm gonna go through it.
Yeah.
You know?
That's just how they are. That's just RV shower.
This is how I'd be showering. I don't shower like I can't. This is not.
Those shoulders won't
These
fit.
shoulders. I could lose 200 pounds and I still have these shoulders.
The shoulders aren't going away.
See here.
Closet?
A big closet. Looks like you could put a. You could if you didn't need the space, you could probably put a washer dryer combo in here. Because this is a big closet too.
Oh yeah.
All the storage underneath.
Little baby TV in here.
Probably got storage down here
Drawers. Nice use of space in this one, really.
too. Yeah. I could live in
And
this.
yeah, actually the kitchen area is, you know, as long as you have like one nice prep space like that, you're good. But then you've got the additional from the covered stove too.
I wonder about, I guess the plugs are up here. We do have a big espresso machine and there's some things I don't want to compromise on, and there's literally no room for that here.
No, there is not room for that.
It will be right here.
Is it possible it could be over here?
Could be. I don't know where the outlets are over here.
Yeah. It'd be tough to get the water into it too. Or out of it, really. What about like pantry space? Ooh, and that's a pretty small fridge.
Yeah, typical.
Yep.
No pantry space.
No, I think that closet there would have to end up being some kind of pantry.
There's this. Although these open the wrong way. But there's lots of space here.
Yep.
Well, I wouldn't say lots of space.
Some space.
There's a modicum of space. This is a pantry though. It's not deep.
Okay. Is this for you? Oh, it's a 2015.
Oh, it is used.
Yeah, that's why it's so
It's still
reasonable price.
90,000. Big TV back here probably.
No, it's right here.
Oh, well then what the hell is this? This is room for another big TV.
Really?
Or storage.
More storage.
It doesn't have the tray. I really like the tray.
Yeah, I know you do.
You would too. You
I would.
always getting your computer out.
For sure. I don't think I'll be driving very much. Let's be honest. This thing terrifies me.
So saw a lot of RVs. Only a few used ones.
Yeah.
Seems
like the ones back here are all more the used kind actually.
You know, crazy thing is, I've been looking on RV Trader and seeing some of these Fleetwoods like we saw that are in the 30 to 35 foot range, and I've seen them for, you know, $60,000, $70,000 for 3 or 4 years old. But like, there's one over here that's a 2015 that's what was it, 160, 150?
No, that one was 100. The 2015 was like 100 and the 2018 was 160.
Yeah, they're just more expensive than I have seen online, so
Well, it might be shopping at a show. You get inflated prices maybe.
Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, stuff to think about. They're all pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's just like, what do you do?
Yeah, I'm still having a pretty hardcore battle with giving into you and your desires to go straight to RV and sticking with something a little bit smaller, like a trailer. Even a trailer that we could pull with the Tacoma.
Yeah.
I don't know. Still lots of choices to make.
Yeah. Same.
Yep.
All right. So that was it. If you've got any thoughts on RVs, if you're looking at these, if you have one, leave something in the comments that says, you know, what you like and what you don't like.
Yeah.
So all these have different things.
Yeah, we're getting an idea of what we like and don't like, but we'd love to hear people who have real experience with them.
Yeah. All right, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah, do that too.
And wash your hands.
Yeah, for sure.